Hi everyone, we're going to go over how to use the EBSCO database on our library. So the first thing you're going to do when you're on the library homepage is click on links. And the first thing that will pop up is EBSCO and then the rest of the list of our resources. In EBSCO, it gives you 4 options. You can either do all of the databases or you can choose one of the collections that there is. Today, we're going to show you how to do all of the research databases. You're going to enter in your login information, and then it's going to pull you to EBSCO. It'll first show you, again, those 3 collections, or you have the option to select all, and you will click continue. Here it'll bring you the initial search bar where you can search the topic of what type of ebooks you're searching for. So say I'm trying to look into the gospel. We're going to search and it will pull up all of the ebook resources that are relating to the gospel. Now, this is a really broad search. So in order to refine that type of search, you're going to click advanced and it's going to give you additional fields where you can put in more keywords to refine your search. So say I'm taking a class on the Gospel of John. I'll do gospel as my main keyword and then include John and click search. And then ebooks and resources relating to the Gospel of John will proceed to open. At the top, you can also have the option to click relevance. This will give you resources along the lines of a specific title, author, or date. You can also select page options, and you can also share the list. On the left-hand column, you can also use these settings here to better refine your search. You can search for full text, downloadable texts. You can refine your searches to either look up the most recent ebooks or texts, or you can go backwards and search for some of the oldest if you're looking for more history. You can edit the subject and the language, the publisher, and at the very bottom, you are also able to select a certain collection. And it will show you the number of how many ebooks or resources are included in that collection. When you click on a resource, it'll bring you to this page where it will show you the series, the author, the publication information, and all the related information pertaining to that ebook. On the left-hand column, it will show you the full text that you can click on, and it will open, and you can add it to your folder. Once you click on this, it'll show up in your little folder up here, and this will save it for later if you want to come back to the resource. You can save specific pages or email specific pages, and you can also print specific pages. When you click on Cite, it gives you different options of formatting to cite. Say you're doing a paper in APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. It gives you those different citations. You can export or save to your Google Drive. And then it also has the table of contents down at the bottom. And you can scroll through the book. On the right-hand column, if we go back to the main homepage of the ebook, you can also, again, add to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You also have the option to take items out of your folder if you are no longer using them. And again, you have the option to save email print, and cite the resource. If you're continuing to refine your search, if the Gospel of John, say, is still too broad, you can add additional keywords. You can also subtract them. And you can also go into your search history to see what you have searched in the past, or if you're searching for an article that you want to use again. You can also go on to choose databases, and again, select the different collections you want to search from. And this is pretty much how to use EBSCO. So if anyone has any additional questions, please email Garrett Trott or myself, and we will help you with any additional questions. Thank you.